Hello everyone, thanks for joining us on TVC News at 1, which will include news from the states. So we'll bring you just breaking news from around the developments from the 36 states of the Federation. But let's begin with the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, where Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja has given the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra till next Monday to open his defense in the terrorism charges against him. The judge fixed a new date following a complaint by Mr. Kanu that his former lawyers, led by former Attorney General of the Federation, Kanu Agabi, had not released his case file to him for study. Senior reporter Celestina Area has details.
At today's proceedings, no lawyer appeared for Mr. Kanu. Mr. Kanu, who entered the dock with a bundle of documents, announced his appearance for himself and informed the judge that his legal team, which was sacked on October 23rd, had not released the case file to him. He noted that he was constrained to ask for an adjournment to enable him get the case file and study it in order to prepare fully for his defense. He also stated that he intends to call 23 witnesses from within and outside the country and also call to issue an order directing the Department of State Services, DSS, to permit the foreign witnesses to access him. Additionally, he asked the judge to order the DSS to allow his lawyers to have access to him, which was promptly granted. At this point, counsel to the federal government said Mr. Kanu's complaints were strange, noting that he had been in court for hours with his former lawyers. Adegboyega Owomolo, senior advocate of Nigeria, also reminded the judge of the 6th day granted to Mr. Kanu to open or close his defense and urged the court to strictly adhere to that order. Justice Omotosho, in a brief response, said he was mindful of granting an adjournment because Mr. Kanu's claim of not having access to his case file. The judge added that the allegation against Kanu Agabi for withholding the case file was strange and difficult to believe, but he said he will oblige the defendant with an adjournment. He, however, warned against undue delay and wastage of judicial time, noting that several other cases had suffered postponement because of Mr. Kanu's matter. The judge fixed Monday, October 27th, for the defendants to open his defense. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.